Come on. Alright, well, hopefully my teammates are good. Hopefully my teammates are good. They have 2 doors open already. So that's probably GG. Probably. I thought they had this gate open for a second. Whoa! Whoa! Got him. Oh, I hit her twice. Got him. You're fighting me in front of the Johnny. Okay. That was really stupid. Okay. Okay. That was really stupid. Yep. There's one below us. Miss Connie has a lot of points. I think she's on battery. One's running in the middle over here. This Leland is hacking, dude. They're opening up the house. Hello. Hit her twice. Alright, I'm turning off the gen, that's fine. I got a lock up here anyway, so. Hold still. Hello? Okay, that second hit just missed. Okay. It's kinda like the old days. I still got it. Virginia's so cringe. Typical Virginia player, dude. They're in the house. Hey, don't worry about house. I got house. Someone's in front of the house. They're like on Grandpa. Yeah, they're right there. Should have better known better. Oh, Grandpa. Go into the garden shed. Connie's inside over here, on the side of the house. She's going down the well. Worth. Alright, she went well. Dude, how are these guys not dead? Hit them so much. Got him. Yeah, I got the house. It's gonna stop moving a lot when I'm listening. Kind of interesting. Nice. There's one on Bones too, so that's the last one, Connie. Nice. Did you kill? Nice, dudes. Good job, guys. Hell yeah. Damn. GG. Alright, I locked up both gen gates, and I'm gonna sit on the front gate with the 2 pumps. Actually, where I should sit here. I should technically sit like right here if we have a Bubba. Come on, man. You just need them to watch Gen side. We should be able to win this pretty easily. They could go Fuse though, pretty easily too. Yeah, they have a Danny also. Yeah, this map with hands is like basically impossible to win, I think. Get on my hands. One thing I do need to learn is where all the fuse spawns are, so when I play Victim, I know where that is better. I'm pretty sure they're pushing generator side. Can't even see my locks, I don't think. Kids. Damn, kids, where'd they go? Have they done the single pump yet? I wonder. Better known better. I think they might have a gate open on Gen's side. I should probably check Gen's side. They have a lot of points. That side gate. Yeah, maybe I should sit on Gen's side. Okay, looks like he's finding someone. Someone's up top, the fuck? Bro, what? Bro, what? What are we doing, bro? Fucking trolling going up here. Jesus Christ, this thing's tall. One just fell down the ladder where the bell is in front of the church next to Grandpa. Jesus, this is high. Holy shit. How does she not just like instantly die here? Wait, he didn't kill her? have gen side open. Yep, he's working on the gate. Wyatt's at the front gate. Yikes. They're just letting me hit him for free. There's two of them on me. By that single pump gate. I mean, they can't really do anything over there, so it kind of doesn't really matter if they go over there. Alright, here you go, protect two pumps. I think they got this fully unlocked. I mean, I kind of trolled chasing the Julie, but I don't know how they haven't gotten a kill yet on this Julie. Kinda crazy. Okay, finally, Jesus. They didn't open it all though, so that's good. Okay. They're gonna probably stab Grandpa here soon. I haven't gone for fuse yet either. I should have been collecting this bucket the whole time. I didn't think that they would go this slow. I'm too slow. Any blood buckets over here? Isn't there one like in this corner? Oh, yeah, it is. They're on the...
Well, looks as if somebody's leaking. Now, where are you?
Pretty sure he's hiding in the front here. Yeah, he is. He's on me! Get him, get him! He's doing the double pump. He thinks that the other one isn't deactivated, but the other one's deactivated. Oh. He's right in front of me, I'm chasing him. Hit him once, he's coming back to the gate. Gate, 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 go back, sissy! Sissy! Nice, GG. Got him. Grab him and snap him. Doctor, disrespect your wife style.